Yeah, hello. I welcome you to this video where I'm going to walk you through how to upload your book on Kobo Writing Life. Okay, let's get started. The first thing is that when you log into your Kobo account, Kobo Writing Life. This is my Kobo account now. Just click on Ebook. Okay, click on create new ebook. Now you are expected to enter the title of your book. This is the title of my book. Let me copy it. This is my book title. It's being pasted. This is the subtitle. Copy it. Okay, now they ask you whether I see this name, but I'm going to make use of this autonomy. For that series name, I'm going to leave it. Let me write my autonomy. This is the autonomy which I want to use for this book. Okay, the publisher name, you don't need to change it. You can change it to anything you like. You can either use your name, you can use anything you like for the publisher name, but I'm going to leave it like for this good publishing now. Now they are asking me for is this the first time you are publishing book? No, this is not my first time of publishing book. Let me click on no. But if this is the first time of publishing book, we need to tick on yes. Okay, now for this ISBN, my book doesn't have any ISBN. Likewise, I'm choosing English as I'm publishing English version of my book. You can choose any version of the book in which you are publishing. I leave it as English. Is this content part of the public domain? No. Public domains are information you got in online in which they are not yours, but you copy them online. But since I wrote this book, I'm the one that had access to it. Definitely it's not public domain content. Okay, now for the synopsis, you are expected to write in your book description. I have my book description written. Let me copy it. Cut. Ctrl V. Okay, my book description has been pasted. You can now play along. You can play around with the features there. You can bold it, you can make it italic, you can make it to be indexed. Maybe you are trying to remember your points, you can index the points by using this thing. Okay, let me try to do a little trick to this thing now. Let me make this one bold just to show you. Okay, this one, let me make it bold. This one, let me make it bold. Okay, let me make this one to be italic. Likewise, let me make this one bold. Likewise, let me make some points here to be italic. Now, let's assume I'm trying to make this one to be indented. I'm just click on indentations, this thing here. If I'm trying to bring it back, I click on this one. Okay, the next thing is for you to upload your. Okay, this is my ebook now. Can you see the cover now? The next thing is for you to click on save and continue. They asked me to fill the category. Click on category here. Select the category in which your book belongs to. This one belongs to, let me choose general. Okay, now I've chosen 3 categories now. Okay, the next thing for you to click on save and continue. Okay, you are expected to upload your manuscript. Click on upload. Click on file here. Locate where you have your manuscript. Let me choose this one. Okay, now this is my manuscript now. Click on upload. Upload complete. Your ebook content has been uploaded. If your file is not an EPUB version, you will see it's been converted now. Click on close. Can you see now the filing which I uploaded was doc file, but it has been converted to EPUB version. Just click on next. Now you are expected, maybe you want to apply digital rights management. You own the right in all territory. If you want to select the territory which you want your book to be distributed, but you can't tick it to be distributed worldwide. For this Kobo Plus subscription, maybe you can subscribe to it. If you like, you can leave it like that, but I'm subscribing to Kobo now. It means that include everywhere Kobo Plus is available. You can select if you want to select a certain territory, but I'm selecting all the territories now. Click on this one. Now for overdraft, if you want your book to be distributed to be overdrive distributed to all libraries, you can click on it. It has been selected. It means that you can now give value to it. Let me give 2.99. Now click on save and continue. Okay, now you can now set the actual pricing which you want to sell your book on Kobo, 2.999. Okay, now you will since you select 2.99, it means the royalty will be 2.09, while Kobo will have 0.81 as their own cent. Click on save and continue. Okay, now you can now click on publish ebook. Boom, your book has been published. That's how to publish your book on Kobo. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your friend. See you in the next video. Bye for now.